Well, for today's video is I gonna cook crispy chicken skin, and I want to show the way how I prepare in my own version. Here's the ingredients we need to use in marinating and to have tasty crispy chicken skin. And now let's marinate our skin chicken. Add the garlic, lemongrass, bay leaves or laurel leaves. Add the curry powder. Add turmeric powder, star anise powder, and chili powder. Add soy sauce. Add ground black pepper, magic sarap powder. For now, we have to mix and combine all ingredients well, then leave for an hour or you can refrigerate overnight. After marinating overnight, transfer in strainer. And now add 2 eggs. And mix well. And now let's do the breading mixture. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup breadcrumbs, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix well. And now it's time to coat the chicken skin. And coat it well one by one. And now it's ready to fry our chicken skin. In a cooking pot, pour cooking oil and heat oil in high flame. Drop it one by one to fry. Cook and fry until golden brown and crispy. And now it's done.